we are doing Puppet Tricks Monday. And this is the most beautiful puppet in the world.
Of course.
These are the hair particles.
How did you do that?
I asked, there's this multicolored hair that the puppeteer was making. So I got this red and green and yellow stringed hair. Then I got purple hair, which was attached with a flower. And I also got, let me show you this. I don't know where it is. Okay. These pink ribbons. I got them from the puppeteer. I went over and I asked nicely. So, this is the front of my puppet. I added on these lovely scarvings with lovely ruffle. Let me show you one.
So colorful.
And it also
Wow.
had like these. And then these piping cleaners were plump and soft. So I chose the best color, pinky. And this is a big one. And I dipped it in a V inside the cup.
You poke a hole.
It is pink cup. And I have this orange background for my face. And then I have cheeks blushings, where I will be creating cheek blushings. And then there's these body particles shining.
Radius, a fabulous, elegant dress. How did you make that?
And I placed hot glue against these nice ribbons, and they stuck together, and I put it on. And that's how you made this puppet.
Oh my goodness, can you do a swirl? Can you do a swirl with it? Wow. And this is inspired by?
Cheryl the puppeteer.
And who is this supposed to be?
Celestia, the great and powerful. Yes. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you for Puppeteer Tricks Monday.